check out this video so you can see what this hotel resort has to offer. And before you check out the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Yep, you. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell so you can get notifications of all my upcoming videos. So while you're staying here, you can spend some time here in the swimming pool. It has a nice waterfall in the back. There's 2 water slides, a kiddie pool, and a hot tub. Let's take a look. The kids don't have to feel left out, or the toddlers, because they have a nice kiddie pool. And it's very close to the adult pool, or the pool that's for older children. Go ahead. Thanks for watching. The swimming pool is surrounded by nice palm trees.